Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Dr. Arshad and I'll teach you mathematics. In this video, we'll discuss equations that can be reduced to the quadratic form. First, we'll discuss the type 1, which is given as ax power 4 plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. You already know that a, b, c, they are any constants, real numbers. A cannot be 0 and BC are any real numbers. In this case, we'll substitute x square is equal to y and then we'll solve the given equation. We'll explain this by an example. The general form of this type is given as a x power 2m plus b x power m plus c is equal to 0. Again, a, b, c, they are real numbers with a not equal to 0. In this case, you can see that the relationship between the powers of x, this is 4, this is 2. That is, if we generalize the case, the power of this x is half of the power of this x. So, if in the general form, we write this equation as ax power 2m and its half is m, bx power m plus c is equal to 0. In this case, we'll substitute xm is equal to y and then we'll solve the given equation. We'll solve two questions from example 1.3, that is question 2, which is 2x power 4 equals 9x square minus 4, and then question number 3, 5x power 1 over 2 equals 7x power 1 over 4 minus 2. So let's consider solution of question 2 first. We have 2x power 4. First we'll write this in the standard form, that is we'll shift the terms 9x square and minus 4 to the left hand side. This is positive, so it becomes minus 9x square, and this is minus, it becomes positive 4 equals 0. This equation can be written as 2x square power 2 minus 9x square plus 4 equals 0. You know the power rule, that is x square power 2. You know that power is multiplied with the power. We can write x power is multiplied with the power 2 into 2, which becomes x power 4. Now you see that if we write it like 2 something square minus 9 plus 4 equals 0, and if you compare it with the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is a x square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now if we replace the term in the parenthesis, which is x square, we will replace x square by y in the last equation. We get 2y square minus 9y plus 4 equals 0. We have replaced x square by y here and here. Now you see that this is the standard form of quadratic equation. I have already solved quadratic equation by completing the square method, by the factorization method in other videos. The link is given in the description. So for example, if we apply the quadratic formula, which is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac square root whole divided by 2a. Here we see that a, this is the coefficient of the square, y square, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant. A is equal to 2 in this case, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 4. We substitute these values in the above formula. Minus, this is from the formula, b is minus 9 plus or minus, then minus 9 square minus 4a, which is 2, and c, which is 4, and we have a square root over here, divided by 2 into a is 2. If we simplify, we get minus and minus becomes plus. 9 plus or minus 9 nines are 81, minus 4 fours are 16, into 2, 32, whole square root divided by 4. After simplification, we obtain y is equal to 9 plus or minus 81 minus 32 is 49 square root divided by 4, or this can be written as 9 plus minus square root of 49 is 7 divided by 4. Now we have two values for y, that is y is equal to 9 plus 7 divided by 4, or y is equal to 9 minus 7 divided by 4. If we simplify this further, 9 plus 7 is 16 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, and 4 fours are 16. Here we have 4, and from here we have y is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4. We have y is equal to 1 by 2. Now we'll use these two values of y in our substitution. When y is equal to 4, then x square is equal to y becomes x square is equal to 4, or from here we'll solve this for x. This is 2, we'll take square root on both sides. Here we'll take square root on both hand sides. We have x square square root and 4 square root. Now we know that x square square root becomes x absolute equals 2, and we know that x absolute is equal to plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0, or this is negative x when x is less than 0. Or from here we can write by multiplying both sides with minus 1, we get minus 2. Thus we have two values for x, plus 2 and minus 2. Now we take y is equal to 1 over 2, then x square becomes 1 over 2 again. Now taking square root on both hand sides, we have 1 over 2 square root, and from here we can write directly as in the previous case that x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1 and 2 square root. Hence our solution set becomes, we had two x values for y is equal to 4 and those values were plus or minus 2, and when y is equal to 1 over 2 then we have two values for x, which is plus or minus 1 over 2 square root.